na maaring patawan din ng kaso ay si General Nicolas Torre III. Maaring managot sa arbitrary detention. 2 counts of arbitrary detention, not only against the former president, but also against former Executive Secretary Medialdea. Ikalawa, violation of RA 7439 for not allowing the former president to be visited by VP Sara, both his daughter and his named counsel, and for forcing the former president's lawyers to leave him. Also, the violation of 3019 for allowing himself to be induced or persuaded by General Marbil or SILG Remulla to perform an act in violation of law, rules, and regulations in connection with his official functions. Grave misconduct and conduct prejudicial to the best interest of public service ay maaari ring ipataw laban kay General Torre.